Hi guys, so for this video I'm using a crochet hook in size 3.25 millimeters and cotton in size 4 medium. So I'll start by making a slip knot, and now I will chain 6. So now that I've chained 6 on the last chain from the hook, I will make a slip stitch. Now that you've created a small loop, I will chain 4. Now right there through the same loop I'll make 2 triple crochet cluster. Again I will chain 4, then through the same loop I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 4, through the same loop I'll make 2 triple crochet cluster. I'll chain 4, then through the same loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 4, through the same loop I'll make 2 triple crochet cluster. Then I'll chain 4, then through the same loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 4, then through the same loop I'll make 2 triple crochet cluster. Chain 4, then through the same loop I'll make 1 single crochet. So far we have 4. Now we need 2 more, so we need to have 6 in total, 6 sets. Again I'll chain 4, through the same loop I'll make 2 triple crochet cluster. I'll chain 4, then through the same loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Again I'll chain 4, through the same loop I'll make 2 triple crochet cluster. I'll chain 4, then through the same loop I'll make 1 single crochet. So this completes row 1. Now for row 2, through the next 4 chains I'll make a slip stitch. Now right here through this double crochet cluster chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Well, actually I chain 1, then through the same chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Now I'll chain 5, through this next triple crochet cluster chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 5, through the next triple crochet cluster chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 5, through the next triple crochet cluster chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 5, through the next triple crochet cluster chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 5, through the next triple crochet cluster chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 5. Now right here through this first single crochet chain I will make a slip stitch. So this completes row 2. Now for row 3 I'll chain 1, then through that same chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Now through this 5 chain loop I'll make 6 single crochet. Through this next single crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Through this next 5 chain loop I'll make 6 single crochet. Through this next single crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Through this next 5 chain loop I'll make 6 single crochet. Through this next single crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Through this next 5 chain loop I'll make 6 single crochet. Through the next single crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Through the next 5 chain loop I'll make 6 single crochet. Through his next single crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Through his last 5 chain loop I'll make 6 single crochet. Now to finish row 3, right here through his first single crochet chain I'll make a slip stitch. So this completes row 3. Now for row 4 I'll chain 1 through the same single crochet chain. I'll make 1 single crochet. Now I'll chain 20 . Now I'll skip the next 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and through this 4th chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Now I'll chain 12. Now I'll skip the next 2 chains, and through this 3rd chain I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 20. I'll skip the next 3 chains, and through this 4th chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Now I'll chain 12. I'll skip the next 2 chains, and through this 3rd chain I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 20. I'll skip the next 3 chains, and through this 4th chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 12. I'll skip the next 2 chains, and through this 3rd chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 20. Again, now I'll skip the next 3 chains, and through this 4th chain I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 12. I'll skip the next 2 chains, and through this 3rd chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 20. Again, I'll skip the next 3 chains, and through this 4th chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 12. I'll skip the next 2 chains, and through this 3rd chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 20. I'll skip the next 3 chains. Into this 4th chain I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 12, and then right here through the single crochet chain I'll make a slip stitch. So this completes row 14. This completes row 4. Now for row 5, right here through this 20 chain loop I'll make 8 single crochet. Now I'll chain 3, then through the 3rd chain from a hook I'll make a slip stitch. Now right here through this loop I'll make 2 single crochet. Again I'll chain 3, through the 3rd chain from a hook I'll make a slip stitch. Through that same loop I'll make 2 single crochet, chain 3, then through the 3rd chain from a hook I'll make a slip stitch. Now I'll make 8 single crochets right here through this loop. Now right here through this 12 chain loop I'll make 6 single crochet. Again I'll chain 3, and then through the 3rd chain from a hook I'll make a slip stitch. Now through that same 12 chain loop I'll make 6 single crochet. Now through this next 20 chain loop I'll make 8 single crochet. Now I'll chain 3, through the 3rd chain from a hook I'll make a slip stitch. Now through that same loop I'll make 2 single crochet. Again I'll chain 3, through the 3rd chain from a hook I'll make a slip stitch. Through the same loop I'll make 2 single crochet, chain 3, then through the 3rd chain from a hook I'll make a slip stitch. Now through that same 20 chain loop I'll make 8 single crochet. Again through this next 12 chain loop I'll make 6 single crochet. Again I'll chain 3, then through the 3rd chain from my hook I'll make a slip stitch. Then through the same loop I'll make 6 single crochet. So we repeat this throughout row 5, I believe. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, throughout row 5. Now to finish this last row, right here through this first single crochet chain, I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 1, then I'll cut this yarn.